Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Dodge Ram 2500 Laramie. Stock reference number 5180. The shape runs from the 6th month 2016 and is the current shape. It has a 6.7 litre 6-cylinder Cummins turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic four-wheel drive transmission. 6.7 litre 6-cylinder Cummins turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight. This vehicle sustained damage on the left hand side. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It has an aluminium tray. It does have some damage, but still may be usable. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, sprockets, aluminum module. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. We have the heating controls, sat nav, display screen, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and it's ID 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.